This is Murang'a County, Gatanga area, and we are in Gatanga Industries Limited. So we process purple tea, though we have other products like the green tea, the yellow tea, the black tea, and the oolong. But our signature is the purple tea. We are known for the purple tea.
Majani ya purple tea ikipandwa wakati wa mvua inashika vizuri. Ikishika vizuri, ichukue muda wa miaka mitatu. Ifanyiwe pruning. Ikifanyiwa pruning, ichukue miezi miwili, unaweza anza kupiki sasa moja moja. Ikakaa tena ikimaliza miaka 6, sasa hapo ndio utakuwa imeanza kushika nguvu, imeanza kutoa kilo sasa.
In Kenya, we have about 4 seasons. These 4 seasons are affected by the rain and the sun. When it is too hot, the production is very low. That time we don't have good purple and we don't like producing at that time. But when now the rain starts in March, mid-March, April, May, and some bit of June, we have very good harvest. So we like processing our tea during that time. Then it comes to July, August, and September. Cold season set in. Then it's also affected. The production goes down. Then it comes from October, November. The production is good. So we have about 4 seasons. 4 seasons, but 2 seasons are the ones which are good for the production of purple.
Sisi kama farm managers huwa tunaendanga trainings, factory inatuandalia, tunaenda, tunafundishwa vile majani inafaa kuchunwa, vile inafaa kutengenezwa kwa shamba, kulimia kwa shamba. Ndipo sasa tukirudi, tukifika kwa shamba, tuko na ujuzi, tunafundisha wale tunaangalia huko. Wachunaji sisi ndio tunawafundisha.
Nikikuja hapa siku ya kwanza, sikuwa naelewa mambo ya majani. Lakini nikaanza kuchuna kilo 2, nikienda tu hivyo. Lakini for now sasa kwa hiyo miaka niko nayo, sasa huwa nachunanga kilo 100 kwa siku.
Nafurahia kukua kwa hii kazi kwa sababu nikichuna napata ya kukula, hata napata ya kupeleka watoto kwa shule waweze kusoma. Na hata inisaidie na mengine.
Hii majani ya purple inakuanga ni majani mzuri sana. Kwa sababu kitu ya kwanza, majani ya purple ni dawa kwa magonjwa aina tofauti. Watu hao wako na magonjwa ya pressure, sukari, huwa inasaidianga.
Majani ikichuna kwa shamba inaletwa hapa kwa center. Gari ya majani sasa ikikuja, inakuja na karani na driver, wanakagua majani, wanaangalia quality. Wakiona quality ni nzuri, wanaipima, kisha majani inawekwa kwa gari ya majani. Sasa inapelekwa kwa factory.
And when the tea comes, the first thing is to check whether the quality stipulated has been delivered to the factory. After the verification, we press this tea in a holding bay to stand it for about 3 to 6 hours, depending on the agency. And why are we doing this? We want to reduce the astringent of the tea. So after that 3 to 6 hours, we start now the formal processing. And the first step now is to denature the enzymes. And why are we doing that? Because we want non-oxidized tea. And we denature in the roaster, a roasting machine. Then after denaturing the enzymes, we remove the tea, cool it, and then press it in the rolling machine. In the rolling machine, we roll for about an hour. Then after an hour, we usually remove that tea. And because when you are lowering, tea comes together, form lumps. We usually take it to a ball breaking machine. A ball breaking machine is just to remove those teas so that they can dry properly. Then after the ball breaking machine, we take our tea to the final drying. Initially, when we receive the tea from the farm, it usually has a lot of water, about 85 moisture content. And when this tea is ready, it's supposed to have 3% moisture content. That's why we take it to the dryer one to remove the excessive moisture content so that this product can be stable in the market. And also there are other flavors that develop when we are doing the drying. Then after the drying, we go to the packing. Purple tea versus the green tea. When we are paying the farmer the purple tea, we usually pay them at a higher price compared to the green tea. For the green tea, we pay about 60 shillings, but for purple tea, at times it goes even up to 120 shillings, so it's double. So economically, for the farmer, the purple tea is better than the green tea. When it comes to the health benefits, purple tea has a purple color, and that purple color is because of a chemical component known as anthocyanins. Anthocyanins is a strong antioxidant. So when you ingest or when you take the purple tea, it is said that it is able to prevent, not cure, prevent diseases like the high blood pressure, diseases like diabetic. It is able to prevent them. And also for those people who want to detox their system, it's a very good detoxer of their system. It's also said that it has anti-aging properties. I'm not saying that we are not going to get old. Yes, we are going to get old, but we are going to age gracefully. It's also good for the skin. It is said that it has some chemical components that is able to fight back the sun's rays. So you keep the wrinkles away from you.